before even the
roundabout. Oh no.
Yes.
I said to Tyler this morning, because it was raining when we went to McDonald's. I said, I was like, I hate driving in the rain. And then we got home and it started snowing and I was like, oh, great.
Oh, you just got home?
Yeah, like 10 minutes ago.
I'm glad I was late. First day to class.
We literally got home at like 9:05. I was like, right, I need to come in and eat my breakfast.
So tell me your feelings then about going out.
No, it just scares me because there's so many different lanes. You never know if you're going to... Because there's so many cars. I don't know if I'm going to be in the right lane or not. If I'm in the wrong lane, then it's a bit tough. For going the wrong way.
Yes, that's it. If you're in the wrong lane, or you just go the wrong way, which is fine.
You just have to go back round or take a different turn in.
Yep. And you all end up coming back again and back. So you got space and time to figure out. But how can we make easy for us to
read the floor signs?
Read the floor signs here. Have a quick look to your left mirror for me, please.
Yeah?
Yeah. And then keep the distance. Oh, let's take the third exit from the left.
Third?
Yes.
Oh, that's good.
What is scared of them?
Because sometimes the car speeds up behind you, so you can't go there.
But what happens when you look at them? So which exit do you take, eh?
That way.
Where's the first exit?
There.
Well done.
Ooh.
That's good, well done. Well done. Keep coming left, keep coming left. That's good, well done. Now look a second on the right side.
And then there's a van.
Yeah. It's not all of us on the rain or what it is.
We drove in the rain before, but it wasn't this heavy. It was like spitting. And it lasted for like 5 minutes.
So any big difference then when you're driving on the head?
No, there's a little bit of a difference. You have to just keep distance a bit more from the vans and stuff because they spit at your windows.
We will be taking the third exit from the back, is it?
Third.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure.
Drop the speed fast. Slow down.
Oh no.
No, it's not.
Oh no, never mind. I think I can be in this lane. I think.
So anyone knows where we go, eh? Keeping your lane, no, don't cross, that's it. Keep it slow. Well done, yeah. Anything on the left side? Anyone trying to overtake us?
No.
Follow the road ahead and take the third exit.
Third.
Yeah, I'll bet you the sign which lane you're going to use. What's the speed limit coming up then?
60.
What's the speed limit
No,
coming
40.
up? So what do you do then? Use the brake for me. Okay. Now have a look at the sign over there. Don't press the gas. Don't press the gas. Leave the gas away.
I'm not pushing it.
Now have a look at the sign over there. Where is the third exit?
That way.
Have a look again. Keep on the left one, please. Stay on the left.
But I want to take the third one.
Stay on the left.
Oh, it would be
Stay
the
on the
straight.
left. Stay on the left again.
It will straight over.
Did you notice on the sign that said need service?
No, I didn't see that.
Yeah, that's the one that makes the difference. But at the same time, you're actually right saying the third exit it is on the right. Because that
Doesn't class as a turn in. It's just a service centre.
yes.
It doesn't take you anywhere. It just takes you to the
Exactly.
petrol station.
Yeah. For not taking anywhere, you can argue that yes, that is the third exit. But because it is on the roundabout,
Because it's stuck. It's still classed as a turn in on a roundabout.
exactly that. That's cool. Keep it close to the left more. Go to the left. There you go. And now start checking your right mirror because someone trying to overtake you.
There is no one.
Yeah, check again.
There is. I'm just staring at my window.
Don't stare at the window, otherwise you lose control of the car. Have a look at your left mirror, Tommy.
I'm far enough away from the curb.
Too far away. Just let your hands slide a little bit lower. Yes. And try to sit a little bit more comfortable. Because the way you
This is comfortable.
Are you sure?
Yeah. This is how I
Okay.
sit at home.
Sorry?
So this is how I sit at home.
Okay.
All crunched over.
All crunched over.
In a big ball.
And the big what?
In a big ball.
Okay.
Second.
Yes, please.
Yeah, I curl up in a ball in my snuddy and just lay on the stairs.
What's happening behind us?
Yeah, there is a car behind you actually.
Then what's happening on the left side?
Park the car.
And for the car they were trying to move on.
Yeah, but they've already stopped.
And let's do third exit for me, please. Off the gas. And look at the sign. Where's the third exit?
That way.
Anyone knows where we're going? Anyone trying to overtake you?
No. I don't know why I just stopped there.
Oh, you asked that question, but what do you think you just stopped there? Let's go first, please.
First exit?
Yeah.
Oh, at the top.
No.
Here?
Why would I ask with the top if that is way far away from us?
Sorry, you might have learnt your lesson and given me a bit more of the big banks.
Oh, that means So that in that case, then that means you're not looking as fast as possible for me to give you an advance. You missed your point over there. See, the deal between me and you is simple. Yeah?
What?
You look.
I did look. That's why I noticed the one at the top.
But why did you notice the one that was closer to us?
Because you can't really see that it's flat.
But there was a blue sign over there.
I didn't see that blue sign.
So what deal is that? You look, I'll tell you if you see it. If you don't see it, it's going to be too late. What's happening behind us?
It's a car. Fast, did you say?
Yes, please.
Shut up.
My friend, you mind stop the rear wipers?
Can I do that like that?
No, the rear one.
Which one's that?
It's the one you're touching. See where it says 1? No, it says where it says 1.
Yeah.
No, twist. Okay, let's go left here. I'll show you in a moment.
And now I've done something to my window wipers. Now I can't see.
We'll do in a moment. Once you're straight. And look behind this. Look behind this first.
Yeah, there's no one there.
So go. Now let's try to put the wipers on again for me.
Right.
And how do we stop the back ones?
That way.
There you go. Well done.
And we're going here.
Third exit. What's happening in your right at the moment?
There's a car behind me. Second.
Yes, please.
Pretty sure I can do this.
It's okay?
Can. Nothing. I'm talking to myself.
Stay in your lane
I am in my lane.
and increase your speed now. Now have a look to your right and the left.
Yeah, the right's fine.
Wake up, speed up, speed up, speed up. When can we go back?
What do you mean we can go back?
To the left, we can't be in the right to go back. Speed up for me, speed up, no. Can we go back left or no?
Yeah.
Speed up then. Signal. Check again. Can we?
Yeah.
That's it.
Now I'm going straight over.
No.
There.
Left. You know, he knows what we're doing.
Yeah.
Actually, before that. Anything on the left side?
Yeah, there's a big lorry.
On the left. On the left.
No.
That's better. Anything behind you now?
Yeah, I had it on my birthday.
What's the name of that?
It was called the HMPV virus.
Can you give me a shorter name so I can remember?
That is the shortest name. HMPV virus.
No, attempt to go.
Where am I going?
I did not tell you. Look at your indicator. What's it saying? Okay, you're going way too fast. First exit then, please.
Can you tell me where I'm going? First or second?
First. Don't.
Why? I could have made that.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
That's
I'm
a
sure.
no.
Okay, so yes. I could have made that.
No, we couldn't. Oh yeah, I can tell you something. Yes, we could have made, but it was like 2 seconds after, which is right at us.
Right.
And that would be fair to him. Let's take the next to left. Please.
First exit.
No, hold on. Stepping behind us.
There's a car.
Now let's play the second game of the day, which is before making your decision, either turning left or turning right, or even put your hand in the signal.
Yeah.
Let's have a look what's happening around us.
What?
Let's use the mirrors for that.
There's a car
I
behind
know.
us.
So before your decision of whatever you're going to do, let's just look to make sure that if there's anything behind us or where they are. It's more about where they are than.
Yeah, we're fine. If it was to take a signal,
Okay.
if it was to take a turn, we would have been alright.
And how about now?
Yeah, because they knew that they know that we have to stop so that other cars can come past.
You have to go. You have to go.
But I should be the one that I was doing the right thing by stopping because the cars were on my side of the road.
Yeah. And did you notice the house it was getting over there? And did you notice how many cars we have behind us?
Yeah.
So if you had stopped over there, those cars behind would have fitted in the gap.
That's true.
This is why we have to keep looking behind it all the time to know what's happening before we make our decision. You need to go left from it, please.
Well, I'm not going left right now.
You need to go left.
Into here?
Yes. Anything behind us?
Yeah, but they know that we're turning.
So, they don't know you're turning.
Yeah, because my indicator's on.
Yeah. But before you decided to slow down, did you see how far they were from us?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah. I tried to call you. I'm just in a petrol car park.
Okay, let's stop it there for me, please. And then let's reverse into any of those bays.
There ain't no lines. How am I meant to see?
Using your eyes then.
There isn't no lines.
No, it's not about the lines. Wait 1 second, please don't move. Stop there, don't move.
I won't even use that in the beginning.
Do me a favor before. Have a look around you for me, please.
I know, I just did. Not even any lines. Maybe there is lines.
Oh,
They're very faint. How do you expect me to see them? And now I've messed up.
well, if you had to take a little second just to look around you to
You can't see them. They're that faint.
Now you can. So how did you know there's a line over there?
Until I got very close.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay, we'll try again then. slightly, how would you call this? Cheating.
How is it cheating?
Because you spend all the time looking at one specific thing.
No, I looked at that mirror as well.
When?
Just now.
Yeah, just now after we stopped. No, that's not fair then. Okay, and how about the rest then? Where did you look then?
What do you mean? I looked
What?
outside my window.
Outside your window, like just the side of the window. How about the back then?
I looked in here. That's what that window's for.
That's what?
That's what that mirror is for.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Even when you're reversing?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do something then. How about if you just cover the mirror then? What's going to happen then?
Cover what?
The mirror.
Well, I'm not going to be able to see unless I go all the way around like this.
Oh, unless you do what?
Turn all the way around.
Okay, so let's try to do the same maneuver, but this time you do what you just told me. Yeah, please. You're cheating.
How am I cheating? I'm across like 3 different bays.
Yes, that's the problem. Across three different bays.
No,
Raise
not
both hands
across
from-
them.
Raise your hand for me, please. Your left hand. You need that.
Where's my hand?
You're gonna need it.
It's attached to my body.
Okay, stop there for a second. Stop there for a second. Just have a look around you before we do it. Stop the car and look around
There's
you.
no one here.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Definitely sure.
Yes, no one.
Guaranteed that there's no one around us.
Apart from the cars that are parked,
Yeah?
that's it.
Okay, let's go.
Oh no, I've messed this up.
Yeah, definitely. You told me you're gonna look at the back. You haven't looked at the back.
Because I can't see the floor from the back, it's just a bush. Right, brilliant parking.
Yeah, I know. I've noticed. Let's do the same thing again. Look at before moving the car, and let's try to make it better this time. Come on, you can do it. Yeah. And now, before we move, how about if we try to figure out where are the actually base? How can you do that?
They're opposite each other.
They're opposite to each other, yeah?
Okay.
Sure?
Yeah.
You said you wouldn't look at the one.
No, you said if it was covered.
Oh! Oh, okay. Slightly better.
We're doing slightly better. I'm in the lines.
Yeah, you managed to do that, but I had to ask you to look over there so you don't look at the one. So that's just you're going down the way.
No, you said
Yeah.
you wasn't going to look at this.
Yeah.
You said what would you do if this was covered?
Mhm.
Well, it's not covered, so I can still see out of it.
Okay. Fair point then. But why did I ask you to just not use the mirror then? Why did I ask you to imagine if it is?
Because I can still see the whole mirror, the whole window.
How about if it's someone walking around you, especially if it's a child? How would you see the child in that?
I have these.
They're not enough though.
But I'm not going to see if they're in the back, am I? What if they're really little?
Yeah, that's the target. You have to be looking around to be able to see them. On that one, you won't be able to see. They're little.
Well, I won't be able to see them out the back window either.
Oh. Stretch your neck. Look outside of your window. In your right window.
No. I'm on about if I was to look out that back window.
Yeah.
I ain't going to see them. Even if I looked in here or in that back window, I'm not going to see them.
So what can you do to be able to see
Use
them?
these mirrors. Windows.
Let's go there. Let's get off this place. Don't move before doing something.
Me children? No.
Offense, please. For offense and slow. You're going too fast.
Left?
Do you know where we are?
Dogsford.
Do you know how to get back home? Oh, come on, you're thinking. You're taking too long.
I think I can go down there.
But you're taking too long to think.
Yeah, but I don't live around here.
And?
And I don't know my way around Dogsford.
Oh, come on, you can find your way.
I only know this shop because I went there before.
Okay, so find your way back home then. Come on. Trust you to do so.
I think I can go down here.
Mm-hmm.
And then if I go up to Westwood Shops, take me out near the cemetery.
Mm-hmm.
And then I can go towards town.
Okay.
I think. But I'm pretty sure I can
So
get...
what's happening behind you, Stan? Remember that the room to be made. Every decision that you make, we need to do what before the decision?
Look at the cars behind us first.
Yeah. You decided to brake over there.
Because I can't get through there.
Mm-hmm.
And the van's halfway across the road, so I have to wait for the van.
Okay.
He didn't want to slow down, did he?
No, he didn't want it to.
Left?
Right, please. Oh, this time he didn't look.
Come on, hurry up.
Just be patient.
Driving like snail.
I think you should drive like that sometimes. Don't blame someone else for being so slow. I did see that, so well done.
Now where am I? Come on. Come on.
Who, me?
No, this lorry driver.
Hold on, have a look, where's the white car?
Behind me.
Let's go.
Oh.
Well done, well done, well done. Good one, left. That's it, well done. That's good, well done. You're gonna brake? Look
I am
behind you,
braking.
look behind you, Dan.
There's no one there.
I know, but every decision we make, let's make sure there's nothing around us before taking the action.
Go. I need exit 18.
What's it again?
So I need exit 18, junction 18.
18. How far are we are from the junction 18?
Not very far.
Can you tell me first of the numbers?
1/3 a mile.
Thank you.
Sounds so dodgy when you say it like that. Don't even sound right.
What's it? Behind us.
I know there's a car.
Keep slowing down.
I know my foot is still on the brake.
Don't tell me you're trying to beat up his face. Less speed.
I'm okay.
Ooh, you took an action without doing something.
What? I looked at my side mirror.
After the signaling, you didn't even look at your side mirror, you look at that one on the top.
I still looked at my mirror.
After the signal on.
At least
What's your
that's
speed?
40.
42, no?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
What do we do now? Before that...
I'm looking. I don't use my head, I use my eyes.
Yeah, but it's actually before put your hand over there that you should be looking, not after.